Stop it! If you're a lawyer ready to revitalize, rejuvenate, or restart your practice, I want to let you know you don't have to go to another Synergy meeting ever again, where you beg for business and pick up the tab. If the thought of growing your practice in traditional ways makes you cringe, then you know you don't want to host free dinner seminars and schmooze and booze. Now, I've got good news. You don't have to. You don't have to go to court. You can keep control of your schedule. You don't have to have a life that's filled with conflict. You can actually work with clients who need and value your service. You can change lives and change them for the better. And you don't have to settle for mediocre pay either. Listen, you can earn 7 figures in estate planning and elder law, even if you're a solo practitioner or in a small boutique firm. How do I know this? Because we see it every single day. Our clients generate consistent leads that are qualified every single week, and then they serve those leads and close those leads at premium fees. Now, our clients, they love their work, but they also love the lives that they're building outside of work. The big problem is that this traditional business model, it just doesn't fit anymore, if it ever really did. You know, the business model that says, if you're not working at least 60 hours a week, then you ain't putting in your time, you're just a whiner or a complainer. The model that says schmoozing and boozing financial advisors or other referral partners is the way to financial freedom. The model that says, get out there and educate people, put on retail seminars. In fact, do them day after day, week after week, month after month, in ad infinitum. The model that keeps you chained to your desk, drafting documents on the weekends, or giving up control of your schedule to the court docket. None of this worked for you before, and so you sure don't want to go back to it, right? Here's the good news, guys and gals. You can have it all. You can have control of your time. You can work with great clients. You can have control over your life. And you can build personal wealth. Not just that, but wealth that you can pass on to your kids and your kids' kids. Generational wealth, just like your clients. Okay, here's what I need you to do. Watch our masterclass about growing an estate planning or elder law practice at scale. This is not our first rodeo. We've helped estate planning and elder law attorneys grow their practice at scale for over 25 years, affording our clients tremendous wealth and freedom over their schedule. Don't let another month go by hoping your practice will just magically grow on its own. Step into greatness.